Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys can already tell by the title of the video that we will be talking everything Solana. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. Looking at the price of Solana right now, you guys can see it is outperforming majority of the cryptocurrency right now. And I literally told you guys 2 days ago that, the breakout is coming sooner rather than later, and what a coincidence, we have seen Solana have a breakout yesterday. So we'll get into more detail on that. Looking at the price of Solana right now, currently trading at $26.07. It is up about 7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up about 3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the overall rank for Solana, it is ranked at the top 12th spot with the market cap approaching that $10 billion mark. But forget about that. Look at the 24-hour trading volume. What did I tell you previously? In my last Solana update, I did say that the buying pressure is not as high as we're used to seeing, and right now we're seeing $1.5 billion 24-hour trading volume coming in for Solana. So definitely things are starting to look very, very nice for Sol. But before we jump into the charts and see all that good stuff, I just have a major announcement to make. I have made this announcement in my other videos, but if you have not seen those other videos, I will announce it here. I have officially launched my Patreon account. This is the exclusive Crypto ZX community that gives you tons of perks. You guys can personally engage with me. If you are a supporter on my channel and want to support the channel, come join the Patreon, and it is going to be very, very exciting. We're going to talk about I'll give you early access videos. If you guys have special requests, I'll cover that for you guys. I'll share different strategies with you guys, hidden gems, all that good stuff. So come join, link in the description box below. But now let's get right in today's price. You guys can see, like I said, Solana is having a breakout right now. Yesterday we have seen the price of Solana hit a new yearly high. You've heard that correct. We saw the price of Solana sitting at $27.16 yesterday. Right now we are seeing a little bit of a retracement, but now this time around we are being once again finding ourselves at the same exact level of resistance, which we've been talking about for quite some time. But I do believe that the time is coming. And I know some massive whales, personally speaking, and that are part of these communities, these signal communities, where they kind of talk about what the whales are accumulating and stuff. And I have gotten word from a credible source. Again, this is not no financial advice, as I've always said to you guys. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. We're just speculating, but I have been told that there's a lot of whales that are anticipating a Solana breakout, but it's not coming as a surprise to any one of us at this point either, because if we look, Solana had consolidated within this range very, very nicely over the past couple weeks. So since January 16th, basically almost a month, we consolidated within this range, and that is a very, very bullish sign. And I am anticipating, as long as Bitcoin does not see a shakeout, because right now Bitcoin is being supported by this level of resistance. Obviously we are above that support level, which is playing as a level of support, but we are about to face a massive level of resistance, which is at 25,200. So we do need to keep the Bitcoin price in mind very, very closely. But as I've already told you guys in my other videos, that I do see BTC starting to if it breaks out of here, I do see this run continuing till April or May before we do see a little bit of a cool off. A cool off is going to be very much needed. But what does that mean for Solana? I am anticipating that Solana is going to retest $40. You've heard that correct. And if we still bring out the measuring tool for you guys, that is still a move of about 50%, and I do see that happening very soon, in my personal opinion. Maybe even at the end of this month or beginning March. It could very likely happen, because right now we are seeing strength come in for Solana. If I'm going on the hourly time frame, you guys get a better picture as to what really is going on. We are in an upwards channel, so things are definitely starting to look very, very nice for Solana. And obviously on staking rewards, the top 3 most staked cryptocurrency is Solana. So that speaks a lot for itself. A lot of people underestimate that about 70% of the market cap is staked right now. A lot of people underestimate this. This basically means that a lot of people have so much faith in Solana's future that they're staking it because they know where the coin is headed. Last bull cycle, people were going crazy. People, even myself speaking, personally speaking, I know I did not enter though, but when it was hitting $250, I was like, whoa, should I get in? Absolutely not. That's like the biggest red flag that you want to be getting in at those prices. But that shows where this thing is going. And the blockchain itself, the growth, the trajectory that it has had, that is the biggest thing in my personal opinion that makes me bullish on Solana's future. So really good things coming ahead for Solana. All the holders that have been accumulating since the last bull cycle, even at last year's lows at $8 after the FTX collapse, you guys are going to be rewarded very heavily. But as I say that, always have an exit strategy in place, guys. Always have an exit strategy in place. Like I said, if you guys want to engage with me, where I can give you some tips how to kind of strategize your exit strategy, come join the Patreon channel. It's going to be very exciting, and like I said, you guys can engage with me directly. But that is it for today's update. See you guys tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.